The iPhone 5 is the 6th generation iPhone from Apple. Moving away from the glass back design of the iPhone 4 and 4S, the iPhone 5 now has an aluminum backplate with glass stripes at the top and bottom. It is ridiculously light at just 112 grams and incredibly thin at 7.6 millimeters. The overall dimensions of the phone make it quite comfortable to use, although previous iPhone owners may take some time to get used to the taller screen. The design of the phone is quite striking and it makes the owner feel that he is in a possession of an exquisite object. The 4-inch 1136 by 640 pixel display is considerably smaller than popular Android flagships, which are almost an inch bigger. Still, the clarity, brightness, color reproduction, and viewing angles on the IPS panel are impeccable, the same way we've come to expect from the previous two iPhones. Most of the hardware placement is left untouched. The mute switch and the volume buttons remain to the left side, the microphone and speaker grills at the bottom, and the power button up top. One distinct change, however, is the moving of the 3.5mm audio jack to the bottom. The speaker is quite loud for all purposes. The bundled earpods deliver good audio quality and will satisfy people who love bassy thumps. The move from the 30-pin connector to the smaller lightning port brings one advantage. The cable is reversible and can be inserted in either direction. In terms of connectivity, the iPhone 5 supports the fastest 3G speeds of up to 42 Mbps and even has support for 4G LTE but works in only certain countries. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are there as well. Probably the one thing missing is NFC support, which most Android flagship models ship with today. The phone may be powered by a menial sounding 1440 mAh battery, but in our experience, the phone can easily last a full working day with moderate usage. At the back, you've got the 8-megapixel autofocus shooter accompanied by a single LED flash. The camera fires up quick and takes such images in daylight that you won't mind letting go of your digital camera altogether. It is extremely responsive. Tapping the shutter in quick succession will click multiple images every second. The panorama mode does a good job of stitching multiple photos into a single wide image. Video recording is also quite clear in optimum lighting. In the night, while the LED flash is bright enough to illuminate nearby objects, images will tend to get a little noisy. The front-facing camera is also upped to 1.2 megapixels that deliver good clarity while making video calls. Moving on to the software, the iPhone 5 comes preloaded with iOS 6, which isn't a groundbreaking change from the previous iteration. iOS is quite intuitive to use, especially for first-timers. Thanks to the A6 chip aboard, there is hardly any lag while operating iOS 6. It is darn quick while switching between multiple apps. Overall, the iPhone 5 may not be overloaded with features that Android smartphone makers boast about, but as a phone, it satisfies in every department. It is a great upgrade for owners of the iPhone 4 or below, but 4S owners may only have design as a major differentiator.